how to back up WhatsApp messages. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video, because it's actually super easy to do. Now what you want to do is simply open up WhatsApp, and once you're here you want to click on the bottom right corner on settings, and then here you want to click on chats. Now once you are here in the chats settings, you can already see here in the middle chat backup. Now if you click on there, you can see all the different backup settings. Now here you can either click on backup now, you can change the auto backup, you can choose if you want to include videos and end-to-end encrypted backup. So I'm going to explain everything real quick. Now for me it says I could not complete the backup because my iCloud is full. So that's why it says that. If you haven't connected it to iCloud either way, or you are on WhatsApp, or if you haven't connected it to iCloud or you are on Android, then you might just see backup now either way and just want to click on there. But before you do that, here it also says include videos right there. So the thing is, include videos, this can drastically increase the backup size, because if I toggle it real quick, it kind of says that I don't want to keep it on or else it will just back up everything. But it's basically says that it wants to add 8 gigabytes of extra storage to my backup, which is crazy because that is way too much. And I don't want that at all. So if you do want that, then toggle it on. If you don't, then leave it turned off. Now here you have also the auto backup settings. You can change it to off, monthly, weekly, or daily. I think weekly or monthly is fine. And then the end-to-end encrypted backup at the bottom is also turned off for me, but it says for another layer of security, protect your backup with end-to-end encryption. So when you turn this on, no one will be able to access your backup, not even Apple or WhatsApp. So that is more secure, but it's also more dangerous, because if you somehow lose your phone or whatever, or wherever you saved it, then everything is gone. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.